Hi guys, I'm Riley, standing here in our Berkey, Ohio Ag Pro location where I'm the general manager. Allow me to walk you through the renovations that we've done here in our parts, service, and sales department. I'm very excited to show you what we have in store. Through the renovation we completed here, we had 3 major improvements at the store level. One of the big additions for the sales team was we added steel equipment. So whether it's line trimmers, leaf blowers, chainsaws, whatever you need to complete your yard task, we can get it done for you. As well as a trained parts department with the parts stock, whether it's bars, chains, oil, moto mix, we can get you taken care of in the steel lineup. The next expansion we completed was in the parts department. We tore out all the old shelving, updated it with new metal shelving, added some parts expansion space, which allowed us to increase our parts stock over 10,000 parts. Good key benefit with us having 36 locations in Ohio and Kentucky is if we generally don't have it, we can get it to you next day or within 2 days. The last major update we completed here was we expanded our shop. Our shop essentially tripled in size, added an overhead crane, added a special tool room, all things that will help us to better serve you. We can now fit 8 combines in our shop. We have 3 mobile technicians. Whether it's an S7 800 or a 6620, whether it's old or new, we can generally track it down and get it serviced for you. Be sure to stop and see us here at Ag Pro in Berkey, Ohio. We are 10 minutes south of Blissfield, Michigan and 15 minutes west of Sylvania, Ohio. We look forward to serving you.